Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create AI videos of people dancing or twerking here. So you should know that this is for fun or for entertainment, so you can actually just upload the picture of choice here and choose any of these templates. We have the hip twist, shake dance, chest shake, and booty shake. So you can just click on any of them that appeals to you and then click on generate shake dance video. And let me be clear that this is not free. You have to actually pay for it to be able to use this particular video generation tool here. So on this website DeepFakeMaker.io, you can now click on the video effect and click on AI twerk generator. Then for generation, it is 100 credits per generation. Now if you're using the free account, you'll be only given 12 credits, which is really little compared to what you would need for this particular video generation tool. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you very much and do have a great day, guys.